Awkward question. No money. You're poor. Would you still follow your dreams?
Would you?
I love making films. And if people didn't like them, I still like making films. So I'll still do it.
But you wouldn't make money off of it. How would you survive?
I mean, that's not the point. I mean, here, corny as it sounds, you need to be following your dreams.
Why do you believe in me so much?
Well, somebody has to.
It's been pouring now for quite some time. The rain, it won't cut out, and it feels just like I'm soaked to this soul. But I know I still need a drink. So won't you take this seat at this table for two? Cup of water for me, this umbrella for you to watch the drops play out. Don't rush the clouds, they'll take their bow and float off stage, replaced by sounds of thunderous claps for shadows on the ground. Where do we go from here? Where do I go from here? If here's all I have, where do I go from here? If here's all I have, where do I go from here? If here's all I have, where do I go from here? If here is all I have, where do I go from here? If here is all I have, where do I go from here? If here is all I have to cry, run out of clothes, so I will find my Holy Ghost. Is there a pot of gold that's waiting for me at the end of this rainbow? 'Cause I can't see the colors shine on me, or the other side of green. I won't let this be the only thing that I try to fight to believe. Where do I go from here? If here's all I have, where do I go from here? If here's all I have, where do I go from here? If here's all I have.